how to make passport size photo. No app needed, no computer laptop needed. You can do it on laptop, computer, mobile without any software, without any app. You just need your photo convert to passport size photo. I'm Gogi from How to Doer, and today we're gonna let you know a great trick for you. And if you want to apply for any form, first of all, like, share, subscribe and watch full video. Now what we have to do for that, we can just go to the chat GPT, upload our file from over here, plus icon, and choose the photo. And I asked it to convert to passport size photo for uploading on application. It's just removed the background and just converted my passport size photo. I asked that set all my photos, 20 photos on A4 size page, and it just did that. And after downloading, you can check it out. These are 20 photos at a A4 size page. Same I did on my laptop or computer. Uploaded a photo on chat GPT, asked for make passport size photo, it's converted, and after that you can check it out. It just converted my photo into a 20 photos at a A4 size page. Now you can print it, cut, copy, paste and do whatever you want to do. If you like, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos.